My bad, wrong door.
Loving is easy when everything's perfect. Please don't change a thing.
Hey y'all, so today is the very first Drive with Ryleigh video. Many more to come. I'm sorry the lighting kind of sucks, but bear with me, I can't control the lighting. I'm officially 16. I'm going to post my 16th birthday vlog after this video, I think. Just depends what I'm feeling like. But anyways, I have my keys on my R2D2 lanyard. I'm such a nerd, I'm taking this off. In Utah, when you get your license, it is the thing to put your keys on the lanyard and wear it around your neck. I don't do that. I try not to be too basic, but you know, I'm kind of basic. Anywho, let's go drive. It's to ignition, hot and fresh. Safety first, kids. Gotta put the aux on. I'm gonna pull out of the driveway. Hopefully I don't hit any children. I'm actually a pretty good driver, like, if I do say so myself. Let's go. Me driving by myself in a car probably isn't the best idea, but my mom lets me do it, so here we are. I'm turning the just going. So I duct taped my tripod to the dashboard, and if you don't believe me, okay, let's try this again. Ooh, this song used to be my jam. Oh, not this song. What the heck? Don't go, buddy. That's right. That's what I thought. Listen, I'm your friend. Okay, let's talk for a minute. I don't know what to talk about, honestly. I'm sorry, the camera is probably so shaky. I'm gonna try and stabilize this footage, but if it don't work out, I apologize. Cute little couple. Oh, never mind. Okay, guys, this song is a current favorite right now. It's called Wasted by Orchid. I don't know how you pronounce it. With the bass. I don't know if you've noticed when I tell them what you want, you ain't looking at me just like that. Oh, nut. I'm pulling over. I just spilt my smoothie. Back on the road we go. All right, let's shuffle my music. Really? That song just made me think of something. Almost all of y'all are like, oh my gosh, do you have a boyfriend? Oh my gosh, why don't you have a boyfriend? And I'm just like, look at me. Like, have y'all seen my videos? That's why I don't have a boyfriend. And just like I'm out of everyone's league, you know? Just kidding, everyone's out of my league. But I kind of have a crush on someone that's totally out of my league. That's how my love life is going, for y'all that are wondering. Why can't I have a guy just like me back? Like, is it rocket science? Apparently. I'll get you in and out if you like in and out, or if you like Mexican food, I'll get you Mexican food, you know? Like, whatever you're feeling, I got you. This next song I have been loving. It will be my April playlist video, but I'm just gonna play it for y'all right now. It's called Wicked by Mansions. Keep your distance from her. Don't worry, y'all, I'm in a neighborhood. I'm allowed to dance. That girl is wicked, but I love the way she hurts me. I'm so addicted. Hi, sir. I'm just driving through your neighborhood. Nothing to worry about here. If it's another dead end, it is. Well then, that was eventful. Is it snowing? The sun's out. Why is there snow? A lot of people have asked me, what's it like being 16? And honestly, like, not good. You know, like, getting my license was a benefit, yeah, but like, people have been hitting me up all of a sudden because they want to ride. Like, no, you can talk to me before I had my license. Don't try to hit me up now, bro. Oh my gosh, I sound so stupid. Why are they tearing up this road? It was a fine road. It wasn't. Let me take y'all back. Why are you on a bike? It's like 20 degrees out. Like that first time she was in my math class. My mom just called me. She's probably gonna yell at me and say go home. See? Yeah, I'm almost done. Bye. That was not my mom. That was my little sister. What is in the road? That was something dead in the road. No thanks. I'm not about that. I'm gonna go around one more time to make my sister mad because I feel like it. Oh yeah, you probably should because I'm lonely. We are now arriving at our final destination, which is mi casa. I'm sorry if I pronounced that wrong. I'm not good at speaking Spanish. Alright guys, that is the end of this very first Drive with Ryleigh video. I know it was, sorry, my voice just cracked. I know it was probably boring because all I did was drink my smoothie, rant, and sing to music, but you know, that's it. Yeah, if you like this video and want to see more Drive with Ryleigh videos, make sure to give this video a big, fat, huge, amazing, fabulous thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, you should totally subscribe because you will become a part of the Lovely fam, and you know, you get to watch me. Like, that's cool, right? Also, comment down below if you think I'm a good driver, because like, obviously I am. Alright, I love you all so very much, and I'll see you guys excuse me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.